And the first of those exercises is a plank with an arm raise. Now, the arm raise is the important bit, and what you do with your hips is also very important. So we come down into the plank as normal. So we've built up that minimum standard that we talked about. Now again, if you've got any questions about where you may be or how to get to that minimum standard, stick them down in the comment section below. If you're liking it so far, hit the like button. But for now, we come down into a plank. Now we need to set up slightly differently for this plank, because what we need to do, we need to bring elbows close, feet wide. That gives us, let's just call it a structural base, because we build ourselves essentially like a bit like a pyramid. So elbows close, feet wide. What we then do is lift the arm up, place it on the back. Now when we do that, we want the hips to stay completely still, because when we then put the arm down and go at the other side, again, we want the hips to stay completely still. So again, when we go into this, you're going to be falling all over the place. That's why we build up the minimum standard, so we've got a base level of strength. So as a general rule, what will happen is you will go either roll to the side or you'll weight shift over to one leg. So that's what we need to sort of start preventing from happening. Now this progression and this system of resisting movement, this is what my 12-week How to Build Core Strength and Stability program is all about, which you can find in the link below. Now, what we need to be able to do is when we lift the arm up and when we put it back down, we don't want our hips to move. So we need to concentrate on holding these muscles. That's the resisting of the movement. So when I lift and my hips want to do that, what I do is I essentially lift up and hold my hip down in position. So it's as if I'm pushing my hip back down towards the floor. That's the resisting of the movement. What then starts to happen is your body starts to learn to hold it in place, and it will start to do that. So the first thing is when you pick it up and when you put it down, and I'll talk about the putting down bit now, because when people put it down, they go like that, they can hold it in place, but then they get lazy as they're about to put it on the floor and they wobble, and then they lift up and they wobble. So when we go from arm to arm, again, we need to develop the ability to resist that movement. Because when we pick the arm up, it wants to move. When you put the arm down, it wants to move. When you then pick the other arm up, your body wants to move. You need to be able to resist that. That's what's going to build much greater core strength and stability. And what we're going to do now is look at exercise number 2.